more of game number 1 of the women's volleyball tournament of the UAP Season 75. Boom Gonzalez, Doc Ian Laurel with us, and a special guest here in the panel. We'd like to welcome former Ateneo captain at one point, right? Cara Acevedo. Wow, you're joining us, Cara, and your team won the first set. I want to find out, Cara, what did you see na medyo iba dun sa first set sa pagsimula ng Ateneo dito?
The intensity of the girls, I think, in the first set, I really saw in their eyes the fire, the passion. They wanted to win that set.
In terms of the plays, did you see anything different from what they usually do?
I think Coach Roger put Eliza in the middle. They made Ella play open. So I think medyo naguluhan yung blockers ng Lasal. So hindi pa sila nakaka-adjust.
Parang nagulat, ano? Ayun nga yung napansin ni Coach.
Yes.
Ni Doc Ian. Buti na lang, rini-affirm niya yung sinabi mo.
Sinervous nga ako, baka iba sabihin ni Cara. But again, Cara, like what Boom has said, how does it feel, you know, na you haven't beaten Lasal for only once since last year, no?
Yeah.
Pero how does it feel that you see your teammates, your former team play this way at this kind of a level, at this venue?
Well, I'm so proud of them. We really started from scratch when Coach Roger arrived. And, during my time, we didn't beat Lasal, but now we see them in the finals. And I'm really happy for them.
Lasal with a service error there. So we're tied at 2-all. How about, Cara, the explosion of volleyball? We've been talking about this for a while. We've had our own conversations, Cara, about how popular your team has become. LaSalle obviously has that winning tradition working for them, but what are your thoughts on what has happened this year for Season 75 for volleyball in general?
Well, of course, the UAAP volleyball has made history this year. Never tayo nagkaroon ng crowd this big. I was talking to my former teammates. We never had a crowd like this before, and it's really nakaka-goosebumps talaga. Kasi when you see the crowd this big, talagang mapapag-goosebumps ka.
I bet. And right now, the intensity level obviously is going to get higher dito sa second set. 3-2.
Okay.
The captain, Abby Maraña, serving. Free ball for De La Salle, who lost the first set para dun sa mga kakatunin lamang. And Galang with a little look at Zia Vasho after the kill for serving two.
Galang smiling back at Z after that two-man block. Not able to control our reigning Rookie of the Year.
Right now it is Abby Maraña serving still. 4, serving 2. That goes through. Lasal with a free ball to Ateneo. Ferrer chooses Ella De Jesus, and they save that. And another free ball here. Ferrer, a fake by Valdez. Valdez fooling everybody else, freeing up Zia Vasho.
Cara, what do you think about that play? Because I know you used to practice that, and it was you going around, right?
Yes. She stepped up this year, being captain and all. And her last year, sobrang na-perfect na niya yung position na yan. Kasi she was an open spiker before.
I remember it was Cara who was running around for that differential hit before.
Ako yung tagaloko.
And an outside touch by Galang. We are at 4-all. Let's check in with Billy Capistrano from the LaSalle side.
How bad do you want it? Yan ang tanong para sa Lady Spikers after that first set. Boom, the girls really need to step it up and they need to show some championship experience. As expected, coach was not pleased with the previous set. Sabi nga niya, bakit daw kailangan laging nagmamadali at natataranta? He instructed the girls to compose themselves and to get their heads back in the game. Huminga ng malalim at gawin ang dapat gawin. Lastly, he told them na kulang pa talaga ang pinapakita nila. They have to anticipate Ateneo's actions dahil ang daming errors na ginawa at bigay lang sila ng bigay ng points sa kalaban. Boom and Ian?
Maraming salamat, Billy. Nakakagulat yun, Doc, na maririnig mo na yung Lasal matataranta dahil
Nagmamadali.
one of the things that has really made them a tough opponent in these years is really their composure from all the championships that they've won. As Bumabaw able to tie this game at 5-all. Cara, your thoughts on... wait. Puntahan muna natin si Selena Dagdag, and then I'll go back to Cara. Let's go, Selena, from the Ateneo side. Go ahead.
Boom, Ian, much of Coach Roger's instructions for this set has got something to do with their defense. Earlier, I heard you guys talking about how the girls should double time on their movements, and you know what? This was exactly what Coach Roger told them to do in the huddle. Coach Roger told them to speed up the execution of their floor defense. He also tells the Lady Eagles not to overcrowd at the center of the court since this gives them the tendency to miss defending the Lady Spikers' hits. He instructs them to focus and be mindful of the hits each of them are designated to block. After giving them these instructions, he commends them for taking away the second set. Diin pa niya, ipagpatuloy niyo lang yan. Boom and Ian.
I cannot celebrate against LaSalle, who just one set. Remember, they came back after being down 2 sets in their first meeting. Quick question, Kara, your thoughts on the Fab Five? You're good friends with them. You played with them. Their development, their evolution here in season 75 and all these years. What can you say about them?
Well, I visited them last night at the Blue Eagle Gym, the quarters kasi sila.
Yeah.
And, well, I kind of talked to them, told them na I'm really, really proud of them, how they carried the team all throughout these years. And, well, I think the focus talaga they have right now for this championship series, kasi nga, last chance na nito eh.
Yes.
So, wala, I think, well, nakita naman natin sa play nila ngayon, they're giving their everything. And yan, I just wish them all the best for this game.
In the meantime, this rally is still ongoing. For those who just tuned in, we're talking to Kara Acevedo, former Ateneo captain, played with the Fab Five. Wait, we'll take a technical timeout, Kara. We'd like to thank you for
Thank you.
joining us,
Thank you
and
for
good luck
having me.
with the rest of the team.
Thanks,
We'll see you
Kara.
around.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kara Acevedo will continue watching this game while we take a timeout. We'll be back with more here at Studio 23. Balik po tayo dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Abante po ng tatlo ang DLSU Lady Spikers. Ateneo won the first set. Kanina kasama namin si Kara Acevedo, ang dating manlalaro po ni Coach Roger Goreev. Nanonood na lamang siya as we look at one of our charming audience members. Our Silverworks Sportside charmer is Cecilia Davila from Ateneo. Silverworks adds personality to her unique fashion sense. Silverworks live to play. Para po sa mga fans ng Lasal, huwag po kayo mag-alala. Meron din po kaming guest mamaya
From Lasal.
from Lasal.
Sorpresa na naman yan.
Tapos,
the third.
pagka nakita namin yung mga request, na iiwan na lang namin yung dalawa.
Marami na nga nag-text eh. Sabi, pati pinali si Kara, sana kayo na lang umalis.
Oo nga. No?
They're gonna enjoy this one, Boom, I'm sure.
They're enjoying this one right now. LaSalle, better set for them. They're up by 3. Demesilio with a tip. Doesn't work. Kainglet. Gohing keeps it up. Galang sends it back. A chance for Maranyo. No.
Too short.
I was telling you about Abby Maranyo. Her first introduction to sports in general was lawn tennis.
tennis.
Because of her dad. Marami raw raketa at bola na nasa bahay lang. So she started, she tried it, but she didn't really...
Didn't pick it up.
Didn't pick it up. But she liked, you know, the fact na yung mga net sports, ano? And then, grade 4, natuto rin siya mag-volleyball with men.
Again,
With men.
meron ng influence ng brothers or...
Hindi, just
Just
mga kaibigan lang na lalaki. And she's one of our best blockers here
Yeah,
in the
the
league,
best.
right? That is her first introduction to volleyball.
Nagka-block lang.
Nung nag-block siya ng isang lalaki
Oh.
sa isang, yung mga larong kalye.
Yeah.
Sabi nga, nakachinelas pa nga lang daw siya nun. Nung naka-block siya, at biniro nila at linoko nila yung lalaking na-block niya.
Ni Abby.
Mula nun, parang nasabi niya, gusto ko tong sport na to. She liked the sport, she developed it, pero yung unang mga 2 taon daw na naglalaro siya ng volleyball, puro blocking lang daw yung alam niya. Yun lang daw muna yung specialize niya.
It's like saying that she can rough it up with
Yes,
the boys.
with the boys. Sa mga, sabi niya, in her own words, larong kalye lang talaga yung gusto niya dati.
Alam mo, marami sa atin dyan nagsimula.
Totoo.
Because volleyball was really so popular probably 10, 15, or probably 20, 25 years back na kasama lagi yan sa summer activities. No? Wow, this is a good rally here from Ateneo.
What a serve by
I
Herbacio.
was about to say, and what started off this rally and each sequence that Ateneo gets a point from is that serve of Z. Herbacio.
Kasi bumalik kaagad yung bola sa kanila, which gave them the opportunity to set up Phil Kainglet. And now, after being down by 3, they're up by 1. And the captain
I just don't want to jinx her. I just don't want to say anything about this serve.
Bam! At tinuro pa ni Ferrer.
That is the 4th straight
Yes,
serve.
that was you, see?
And the fans love it.
That-
The fans love it.
How can you not? That's like a slam dunk in basketball.
Exactly.
At abante na po ang Ateneo ng dalawa. All of a
Napatay
sudden.
Forman, kaya po tayo mabuti. Kasi nakatapat sa loob eh. Nang mag-isip lang tayo, tingnan nyo, hindi nila sa labas. Eh, hindi na sa labas, masyado lang hindi nila sa labas, kaya hindi na tayo makapag-isip sa loob. Okay? Tingnan natin yung kalaban natin. Hanggang mapinis yung bola. Tao-tao lang muna. Huwag ka lang ng talon. Tao-tao, defense na triangle. Okay?
Okay.
Ano nangyari? Doc Ian, kwento mo sa atin, pinag-uusapan lang natin yung volleyball beginnings nitong si Abby Maraño. And all of a sudden, the lead is now 2 as you see a Shakey's fast serve brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza.
You know, yung mga sinasabi niyang larong kalye ng volleyball, it's just like how basketball is played. You know, yung mga magkakabarkada, pagdating ng hapon, half court. In volleyball, it used to be like that. Medyo may konting organization because it's full court. Another service ace. Wow! This could be the turning point of this match. This second set, very, very crucial for De La Salle. You don't want Ateneo to get a 2-set lead.
Alex Tan comes in for Kim Fajardo. Michelle Gumabao moves out. Nika Esperanza comes back in. 4 points for Zia Herbacio. 2 of them service aces. And their lead down 3, now up 3. The swing continues for the Lady Eagles.
Grabe yung serve.
It's like alam naman natin magaling na siya mag-serve, but there's something different about it here in the finals. It's a little sharper.
That's what I was saying. Baka late niyang kinukuha, hindi talaga sa taas na taas. Medyo mababang konti. Kaya maganda yung tawid sa net.
Ito na naman yung angulo ni Phil. Inangulo na naman, no?
It's
And
like
just finding
Ateneo
a spot.
came in with a very
Specific game plan.
game plan.
Yeah, you're right. And she continues to serve. She's been doing that for the last 5 years.
may huling pitik sa dulo.
Meron nga. Tan.
That's
It's out.
no touch from the block.
No touch.
They're trying to call for one, but again, this is all from the serve of Z. You can see the offense of De La Salle.
Yes.
Just hitting a roadblock.
Herbacio, the 9th best server in the league. Doesn't look like her right now. She looks like she's in the top 3, maybe even number 1.
There could be something wrong with our stats right now.
That's nice, another one.
Oh, this is going to bring the house down.
This is crazy. And they're not going to call a timeout. Coach Ramil is waiting for the technical timeout as he sends back Fajardo and Gumabao.
You know what?
Herbacio skirts the line on this one. Yes, Ian.
It's like the back row defense or the reception of De La Salle has been put under a spell. Parang every time Z goes up, they just watch. They just freeze up and they just don't move, and Z just keeps on scoring.
And this is not easy at all, what she does. Napaulit-ulit. 15 serving 9.
This is a zone that she's in.
Reyes puts it away, finally. Stops the bleeding for LaSalle. Now,
He doesn't want to be pulled out because Coach Rogers is asking him, do you want to be pulled out? He said, I don't want to go out.
adrenaline na yan, Doc. Up 1 set, up 5 in the second.
I like that Coach Roger was checking on Z. Are you still okay?
Oh, too risky for Ella de Jesus. And now the climb back begins for the defending champions.
Apat lang yan.
Nika Reyes on her second year, replacing the role of the great Jack Alarca already for LaSalle. And just as I say that, the service error gives Ateneo the lead as we get into the second technical timeout. Babalik po ang drama dito sa UAP. Game 1 Finals, Z. Herbacio. Sinabihan ni Coach Roger Goreev. Ano ba? Pahinga ka muna?
No. She doesn't want to go out. She wants to play.
Pahinga. bukas na, pahinga. Hey, again, these girls, by the way, Doc, again, finals week for the seniors
Yes.
for Ateneo. Midterms for the tri-semester De La Salle players. They're dealing with all of that. And then the nervous energy, then the anticipation, then the pressure, the excitement, and all the
Lahat
talk
yun.
around.
Lahat yun sabay-sabay nangyari this week.
That is incredible. These girls are incredible, all of them. They're trying to withstand all of them and play and give a show here in game number 1. And another one from Phil Cainglet.
Phil has had a lot of success doing that, as well as Eliza Valdez, even De Jesus. I think they're not really forcing the issue and just relying on their smarts to win this game.
Pajibar, Obar, ang saya. The lead is 6 again. Marano finds a spot.
She's been very quiet though.
Yes, she has
Abby
been.
Marano
She has
is very
been.
quiet.
Left with 8 points so far here in this match. And Valdez, all of her 4 points were all in the first set. So imagine that they're doing this with the #1 scorer in the league, reserving and conserving her energy.
These errors from De La Salle, a lot of the coaching staff just shaking their heads. Brother Bernie Oka, again, congratulations to De La Salle for winning the overall championship.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Brother Bernie. Pati UAP
Job well
Tennis
done,
na
yeah.
kinover din natin. Ferrer. They're really not giving it to Valdez. Two. With reaction, but naubusan.
8 service errors for De La Salle. Can you believe that, Boom? Yan yung kanina pa natin sinasabi. Or 6, I should say.
6 errors for LaSalle. Dalawa para sa Ateneo so far. The lead is 5. That's a total errors, by the way, as Wench Tew, who will not play next year anymore for LaSalle, trying to win a championship for herself. Ateneo scrambles for defense. Lazaro is there. Ferrer underhand to De Jesus. Sent back. Great coverage by herself. Great reaction. Galang with a wind-up. Herbacio gets out of the way. Lazaro goes back to Ella. Ella sends it back. Fajardo, nakaluhod. Ibinigay kay Gumabaw. Bumalik yung bola.
Baldo was right there in the middle, watching for that play as it evolved. Good read by Eliza. Look at that. That was her all the way.
3 blocks for both teams total. That is not the number that LaSalle
Yes,
wants.
I told you that stat will be very important.
Oh, that one is out though.
It is out.
It is out though.
Was it in or out?
Coach Ramil has something to say to the linesman.
And Galang
Let's look at
plays
it.
right away. So
Let's look at it from this angle. This is a perfect angle. Ooh, that kind of touched the line. The reaction from the green
hard
side.
to say. Hard to say.
Mahirap, ano? Baka may shadow lang, ano?
Hard to say. Hard to
Oh.
say.
Again, the referees and the linesmen, rather, don't have the benefit of a slow-mo. Unlike us. Valdez is rejected. And Abby Marano pleading with the rest of her teammates to come back and fight.
And quietly, this has increased to a 6-point lead for Ateneo. All those exchanges.
Si Abby Marano, third-year high school pa lang, inabangan na ni Coach Ramil
Ramil.
De Jesus para mapunta sa Lasal. Balik na naman ang bola sa Ateneo. Oh, that's a triple block right there.
Right, remember, she had success facing that triple block earlier when she just hit those side spin shots, those dumps. But now she goes back to her usual power hits, but the block has been, it's going to take its toll on her if she keeps on doing that.
Good steady serve. Lead is 5. Valdez with a tip.
Again, the drop.
Oh, pero Boyan, Gohing sends it back. Chance for Ateneo here. Underhand set to Valdez. Tries to swipe it. Bumalik sa Ateneo. Ferrer. Ibinalik kay De Jesus. Chance for LaSalle to answer. They go to Galang. Galang off speed. Valdez keeps it up.
Nice
And a
play.
free ball. LaSalle's chance. Reyes. And able to put it away. Ferrer, Gervasio. Long rally here. With the lead of 5 for Ateneo. Galang goes for the
Ooh.
angle. No. Wide.
She was on her way down, so really bad timing on the shot. Ang tagal niyang pilitin, but yun, pababa na siya nung tinamaan niya yung bola. That was too wide from Galang.
It's Elisha Valdez serving. Aranyo with the take. They go to Gumabao. Gumabao with the push. Penglet gives it up to De Jesus. Masyadong too much muscle behind that attack. The lead stays at 5. Michelle Gumabao on deck, who is closest with Abby Maranyo in the team.
Yes.
Silang dalawa yung sabi nila very close. It's also because they're batchmates.
Batchmates.
Yep. And they've gone through a lot together.
Alright, she gets this in this time.
Great serve.
Force the ace there.
Coach Roger has not called the timeout yet. And sabi niya, bayan mo. Tinuro niya kay Coach Carly.
Sige lang.
Wag muna. Let the girls deal with it on their own. Sometimes, Ian, coaches do that.
Yes.
Hindi yung basta magkamali, timeout kagad. Ferrer to Ho. Great coverage. Regalo.
Ito pa.
Joust at the net. Gervasio goes to De Jesus again. Aranyo was there and a touch by Mika Reyes on the net, which is an automatic point, obviously, for Ateneo.
And the refs are really
Gotta look at that, Doc.
watching the girls whenever they go up to the block. Remember, if they do touch the net,
Oh, yes. Their left arm.
elbow.
Coach Ramil will call a timeout as they're down here by 5.
Okay, sige na, huwag nyo na rin yung referee. Hindi yung crowd, huwag nyo na rin dindihin, okay? Hindi magsamatawa ng referee, basta laro lang tayo. Ha? Basta organize lang natin, huwag tayo masyadong matakaw doon sa loob ng kamay. Ng referee, masyado natin inaabot eh. Eh, wala na kayo sa pwesto, umabot pa tayo ng ng block eh. Nagkalaban naman natin eh, hindi naman rin nakapwesto. Pwesto lang, pag pasalo lang gagawin. Ready lang tayo palagi ginagawa nila. Pagka nakikita yung nakapwesto yung kamay, dinadrop na lang. Pagka nakikita nakauna sila at basag yung blocking, papaluin na agad. Nakatingin sa kamay natin eh. Ready lang lagi tayo doon sa gitna. Okay? Tsaga lang ang kailangan natin. Tsaga lang. Okay?
Coach Ramil pleading to the girls to
Yeah.
zone out the referees, zone out the calls,
The
zone
crowd
out
as
the
well.
crowd. In fairness to the referee in that sequence, Mika Reyes did touch the net. 22-17. What is Ateneo doing so well in the last 2 sets?
Coverage, boom,
Doc?
coverage. They're getting blocked by De La Salle, but the coverage has been very, very effective. This is going in. Naku, yun pa.
Errors.
Off a timeout, boom. That just says how De La Salle right now is not focused in what Coach De Jesus is instructing the girls.
And that is
They're moving differently.
that is-
That's just it.
it's incredibly strange to say about them, ano? Galang. Again, coverage was there. Gervasio off the block. It's a check ball. And they get the set point. You know, I say that it's strange for LaSalle because I've said this in many
Yes,
years,
yes.
Doc. Even LaSalle, they have a curfew before the finals. They take away technology, gadgets, and cell phones
Yeah.
before the finals just so that they could focus on the task at hand. This is true. The players don't use their cell phones the night before.
Oh,
And a
nice serve.
chance here for Ateneo to close it out. And Gervasio puts it away. So, just like in the first meeting, Doc, Ateneo takes the first 2 sets. The question now here, can LaSalle come back? Yes, they can. Will they is another question. Let's all find out together then. Plus, a special guest coming up.
Ayan na, abangan nyo.